Good morning. Today I would like to show you inside this fire extinguisher. Let's open it up. Let's undo this. Here we have what is called the siphon tube, or some call it the dip tube. Just here is where a CO2 cartridge screws in. If you look closely, I should bring it up to you in a minute. If you look closely, there's a pin. When the knob at the top is struck, the pin comes down and punctures the cartridge. There's the pin. Here is a cartridge. It screws in to the holder. It's never any more than hand tight. Next thing to do is to fill the extinguisher. I have a hose. I'm just filling the extinguisher now. How will you know when the extinguisher's full? No, it's not because it runs over the top. Going back to this, there's an obstruction here, and what you do is you put that on the top of the extinguisher, and then the bottom of it, i.e. this part here, when that is touching the top of the water that's in the extinguisher, you then know it's full. You're now looking at the top of the extinguisher. Let's put this on. You can clearly see it's just about touching the surface of the water. Therefore there is the correct amount of water in the extinguisher. Let's screw this on and see what happens next. If I strike the plunger, you can see water goes for about 20 odd feet. Unfortunately you can't see it. Water goes for about a jet of 20 odd feet. Contrary to what most people believe, fire extinguishers do not go on for minutes and minutes and minutes. This one goes for about, what, 90 seconds? We'll find out. I'm looking at the end. We'll find out shortly. The extinguisher's running out of water. But as I said, extinguishers don't go on for 5-10 minutes like they do in the movies, or people think they do. It's just, what, 90 seconds, minute, 2 minutes at most? Not very long at all. Let's open it up again. You can see this is all now covered in frost because it was full of carbon dioxide. It's now caused the air to condense and turn into ice. But the beauty of a cartridge extinguisher is you can literally refill it from the hose, put a new cartridge in it, put it back on there, screw it down, away it goes, ready for next time. As always, thank you for watching, and please, if you want to support the channel, buy me a coffee.